Good morning. My name is Dr. Shabnam Khan, Assistant Professor in St. Thomas College, Rugabanda Bhilai. Today I am going to explain the topic language and its importance. What is language? Language is a system of conventional, spoken, manual, or written symbols by means of which human beings, as a member of a social group and participants in its culture, expresses themselves. The functions of language include communication, expression of identity, play, imaginative expressions, and emotional release. Now we will see some definition of language. Many definitions of language have been proposed. Henry Sweet, an English phonetician and language scholar, stated, language is the expression of ideas by means of which speech sounds combined into words. Words are combined into sentences. This combination answering to that of ideas into thoughts. The American linguist Bernard Bloch and George L. Traeger formulated the definition: a language is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols by means of which a social group cooperates. Any scientific definition of language makes a number of presuppositions and begs a number of questions. The first, for example, puts excessive weight on thought, and the second uses arbitrary in a specialized though legitimate way. Language is the normal way humans communicate. Only humans use languages, though other animals communicate through other means. Human language has syntax, a set of rules for connecting words together to make statements and questions. Language can also be changed by adding new words, for example, to describe a new things. Other animals may inherit a set of calls which have preset functions. Language may be done by speech or by writing or by moving the hands to make signs. Humans also use language for thinking. When people use the word language, they can also mean the language of a community or a country, the ability of speech, formal language in mathematics, logic and computing, sign language for deaf people, and a type of school subject. All languages share certain things which separate them from all other kinds of communication. A language has rules which are shared by a community. All human languages are based on sounds and hearings, or in case of sign language, vision. All basic sound units or phonemes have this in common. They can be spoken by human voice and heard by the human ear. The sounds come out in a sequence, not at all once. This is mimicked in writing, where the marks are put on the paper or screen in the same sequence. The stream of sounds has little gaps between them and come in bigger packages. We call the bigger packages sentences or questions or replies or comments. In most languages, English being one, the syntax or order of the words can change the meaning. Words which may be made up of more than one phoneme divide up into two classes: content and non-content. Content words have meanings, nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. Non-content words are there to make the language work, like and, not, in, out, what, etc. Grammar consists of studying how words fit together to mean something. Most of the languages have a written form. Before the invention of audio recording, the writing system was the only way to keep track of spoken and information. All languages constantly evolve. The new words appear, new forms of saying things, new accents, etc. English is often called international language. It is the main second language of the world and the international language of science, travel, technology, business, diplomacy, and entertainment. French had a similar status until the 20th century, and other languages had it at other times. Language is the expression of thought by means of spoken or written words. The English word language comes from Latin word lingua, which means the tongue. But the tongue is not the only organ used in speaking. The lips, the teeth, the roof of the mouth, the soft palate, the nose and the vocal cords all help to produce the sounds of which language consists. These various organs make up one delicate and complicated piece of mechanism upon which the breath of speaker acts like that of musician upon a clarinet or other wind instrument. So these are some points of importance of English language. The first point is English is a global language. English is mostly common spoken language in the world. 1 out of 5 people can speak or at least understand English language. That is why English is also known as a global language. The second point is studying English can help you to get a good job. English is the language of science, aviation, computers, diplomacy, and tourism. Knowing English increases your chance of getting a good job in a multinational company within your country or outside your country. Next point is learning English can help you meet new people. English is the official language of 53 countries and it is used as a language by people from all around the world. This means that whether you are working in Beijing or traveling in Brazil, studying English can help you to have a conversation with people from all over the world. Next point is many scientific papers are written in English. In the last century, number of scientific papers written in English has started to overweigh the number of papers written in the native language of the researcher. In the Netherlands, for example, the ratio is surprisingly 40:1. For this reason, having a knowledge of English is incredibly important to those working in the scientific field. Next point, English is the language of media industry. Because of the prominence of Hollywood in global media, an enormous amount of films, TV shows and popular songs are written in English. If you speak English, you won't need to rely on translation and subtitles anymore to enjoy your favorite books, songs, films and TV shows. English is the language of internet. English is a particularly important language online with more than half the content on the internet written in English. As well as this, some of the world's largest technological companies are based in English speaking countries. Traveling is lot easier with a good knowledge of English. Imagine you are a Spanish person on holiday in Thailand. While your hotel receptionist might not be able to answer your question in Spanish, it is likely that they will be able to answer your question in English. Next point is English is one of the most important languages for business. Whether you are a business owner, student or employee, English is incredibly important in the business world. English is considered to be one of the most important business languages due to being the de facto language of the United States and the official language of UK, Canada, India and South Africa. Now we will see need of English language. As we have already discussed that English is the language of science, aviation, computers, diplomacy and tourism. Knowing English increases your chances of getting a good job in a multinational company within your home country or finding work abroad. It is the language of international communication, the media and the internet. So learning English is important for socializing and entertainment as well as work. English is the language of international communication. English may not be the most spoken language in the world, but it is the official language of 53 countries and spoken by around 400 million people across the globe. Being able to speak English is not just about being able to communicate with native English speakers, it is the most common second language in the world. If you want to speak to someone from another country, then the chances are that you will both be speaking English to do this. The British Council projects that by 2020, 2 billion people in the world will be studying English. Learning English is important as it enables you to communicate easily with your fellow globe citizens. When you study English at ELC school, you will be making friends with people from lots of different countries using English as your common language. Next point is English is the language of business. English is the dominant business language and it has become almost a necessity of people to speak English if they are to enter a globe workforce. Research from all over the world shows that cross-border business communication is most often conducted in English and many international companies expect employees to be fluent in English. Global companies such as Airbus, Fast Retailing, Nokia, Renault, Samsung, SAP and Microsoft in Beijing have mandated English as their official corporate language. In addition, in 2010, the company Rakuten, a Japanese cross between Amazon and eBay, made it mandatory for their 7,100 Japanese employees to be able to speak English. The importance of learning English in the international marketplace cannot be understood. Learning English really can change your life. Next point is speaking English gives you access to the world of entertainment. Many of the world's top films, books, and musics are published and produced in English. Therefore, by learning English, you will have access to great wealth of entertainment and will be able to have a greater cultural understanding. If you speak English, you won't need to rely on translations and subtitles anymore to enjoy your favorite books, songs, films, and TV shows. Watching movies and television programs in English language is also a great and fun way to learn it. At ELC, we encourage students to participate in the social program to practice English outside a class environment. Activities include watching popular English films, sports, art galleries, museums, trips, and excursion to local and historical areas. The program is designed to encourage students to use and learn English in British culture. Next point, learning English gives you access to more of the internet. According to report of Education First, English is the language of the internet. An estimated 565 million people use the internet every day, and an estimated 52% of world's most visited websites are displayed in English language. Learning English is important as it gives you access to over half the content of the internet. Knowing how to read English will allow you to access to billion of pages of information which may not be otherwise available. Thank you very much. That's all for today's class. We will see a new topic in my new class.